In this video, I will show you how to find the Chrome download folder on your iPhone. To kick things off, let's start by downloading a file. Once the download is initiated, keep an eye out for the notification at the bottom of your screen that says Download Complete. Next to this notification, there will be a blue text that says Open In. Tap on it. After tapping Open In, a new window will pop up showing various options. Here, simply select Open in Downloads. This action will take you directly to the Chrome download folder on your iPhone. In this folder, all files downloaded from Google Chrome will be neatly organized for easy access. It's that simple. Now, if for some reason you missed that notification or want another way to access your downloads, there's an alternative method using the Files app on your iPhone. Start by locating and opening the Files app from your home screen. Once inside the app, tap on Browse located at the bottom of the screen. Next, select On My iPhone. This section displays various folders containing files stored locally on your device. Scroll through until you find the Chrome folder. Tapping on this folder will reveal all files that have been downloaded using Google Chrome on your iPhone. This method is particularly useful if you prefer managing files directly through the Files app or if you want to organize them further. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.